Hello everyone, how do you? So back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is online jobs, make money application, and how can you use this and how can you money through this application. So you can see the rating of the app 4.8 out of 5. So when we get an app, the app is more than 4.5 rating, we consider that the app is really amazing. And you can see 338k reviews. It means 38,000 people write something about this app. And you can see the rating of the app, the size of the 7.7 megabyte, and 1 million plus people already download this app. If you really want to see what is this app, then you can see referral contest. You can also earn money through referral, and you can see like you can earn money through survey or earn credits to earn money, download survey and social media, like best user, or you can see like who earn a lot of money. And there are many jobs, like you can see, install app and test. If you install any app, then you will get a money, and they will pay you through PayPal this app. So if you really want to see about this app, then go there. And like online jobs is the first platform and mobile application where anyone with internet access and mobile phone or computer can register to earn money in simple and free way. Okay, so you can read before that the app is released 2022, and many people say it's really good site. They give the positive ratings, and many people see it's really helpful. You can try. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.